Well, that was a cool music, Toy Bomb. Yeah. You got any hot bars? What are bars? You like lyrics. Oh, maybe I do. I don't know. Try it out. Okay. Got cars in Atlanta. Get me in the cabana. But live Savannah. My name is Hannah. You're rich in a cancer. Come on, girl, in a banner. Come on, boy, let's banter. Check out with a scanner. You offended, you're a bender. I've eaten chicken tenders. Come on, boy, let's bender. My crack seed lantern. McDonald's or it's Fanta. That was good. Let's go one more. Took me to Atlanta. A Padilla planter. A girl in my class named Dana. You got bars, kid. Yeah.